In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform data using n8n. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to summarize your data with an aggregation so you can turn raw items into clear insights right inside your workflow. Start by heading to n8n.io and signing into your workspace. From there, open or create a workflow. You'll be redirected to the workflow canvas, which is where all your nodes and data connections live. If you're starting from scratch, you'll see the default start node. If you already have a data source in place, you'll see it on the canvas. On the canvas, hover between the nodes where you want the transformation to happen and click the plus icon to add a new node. This opens the node picker. In the picker, look for the data transformation category. That's where n8n groups tools that reshape, filter, and summarize your items. Choose Summarize to add it to the workflow. Inside the Summarize node, set the operation to aggregation. Aggregation lets you compute values like sums, counts, averages, minimums, and maximums across your incoming items. It's perfect for turning a long list of entries into a compact summary. Next, in the field input, enter the property you want to aggregate. For example, if your items include an amount, price, or duration, type that property name exactly as it appears in your data. If your data is nested, you can use dot notation, for instance, order total. Be precise here, because mismatched names or letter case will result in empty outputs. Then, in Fields to Split By, choose one or more properties you want to group by. This is your grouping or breakdown dimension. For example, you might split by category, status, or date. Each unique value becomes its own group, and n8n will compute your aggregation within each group. If you add multiple fields, you'll get a grouped summary across those combined values. When your configuration looks right, click Execute Step to run the node and preview the results. You'll see compact aggregated items representing each group along with the computed values. If nothing appears, double check that upstream nodes are sending items, that your field names match exactly, and that the field you're aggregating is numeric when required. If needed, clean or cast fields in an earlier node so the Summarize node receives consistent data. That's it. You've transformed raw items into actionable summaries using n8n's data transformation tools. From here, you can pass the summarized output to reports, notifications, or storage nodes to complete your automation.